Hi, this is Rehan here from CloudSponge, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can add the better sharing UI to any web page of your choice on WordPress. You can also follow the link from the plugin home screen to find this in our documentation. But since you're here, let me walk you through it myself. Let's start by going into the Pages menu and selecting the page you would like to add the better sharing plugin to. Now there are two ways you can do this. First is to simply click and select the better sharing block from the menu, at which point you will have the option to use the default template or an existing one that you have already set up. We did set up one in our previous video, so I'm going to select that one. Now let's quickly preview that, and yeah, there it is. The second way to add the better sharing plugin is using a shortcode and the unique ID of your preferred template. Select the shortcode from the plus option menu and input the unique ID shortcode of your template. Mine is this, so I'm going to use that one. Save and publish, and now let's preview. And there you go. That's your new UI. Those are your social share icons. Let's try Twitter. Looks great, works great. It's got a custom message loaded in. Let's test out the email section. You can type down an email address, or if you have the CloudSponge contact picker installed, then choose an address book, authenticate, select your contacts and import them into the form field. Type in a custom message and blast away. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to see what happens after sending an email or would like to set up some kick-ass email templates to get the best performance of your sharing programs, then head over to the email templates and personalization video from the description. See you in the next one. Thanks.